Welcome to the channel, y'all. I'm Dave Buchanan. I'm here with Nick Jones. He is our tech who's going to be showing me exactly what this fifth wheel rebuild kit is. So we're going to just do an unboxing and sort of show what it's all about.
So this is the Simpla rebuild kit. Comes with the handle for releasing the fifth wheel. Comes with the jaws that will lock the fifth wheel onto the kingpin. This will be the spring to release. This is the locking mechanism for the jaws. And pins for the jaws. Yeah, the pins that will go inside the jaws. So you get new ones of those, so the old ones are normally worn out, so you get fresh ones. All your nut and bolt hardware kit. So we'll have all your bolts, washers, spacers, greasers, so you can replace all the hardware that's already on there, so you don't have to save any of that old stuff. And then the adjusting rod that will bolt onto right there for adjustment of the fifth wheel for the jaws, so it doesn't go too tight or too loose.
Okay. Cool. Is there like a way we don't have to put it together? I mean, I don't know if we could put it together, but is there a way we can sort of like demonstrate where it goes?
Yeah,
What?
yeah. Let's see. We can try to go off of memory here.
I'm assuming this is like lube or something?
Yeah, that's lube, so you can lube up the. Should be close to what it is. Something like. Let me scoot that down a little, David. So that'd be something similar to what it would look like. Obviously, those other parts are attached to other pieces in there, but it's close to what it would be. Because the fifth wheel, your kingpin would come in here. This would be like this, and then your kingpin would come in here. This would shut, and then this locks it all in, so then it can't move. So all these pieces kind of move together at the same time. So then your kingpin's locked right inside there. And then when you pull that handle, you pull this, pull that, pulls this out. This will open up, and then your kingpin on your trailer unreleases from the truck.
Okay. Awesome. That totally makes sense. I'm gonna just lift this up and
No.
show to the main camera here. So it'd be like a situation like if y'all can see that, and we'll be doing an install so you can see what it's like in action. But that's kind of what the basis of it would look like. Kind of looks like a face, doesn't it?
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
No, awesome, man. I think that's it then. Is there anything else we should know about this rebuild kit?
The big thing would be to make sure that you guys, when installing them, is make sure you put a lot of lube or some kind of grease on the pins, and make sure you grease it up really well. A lot of times that stuff can get dried out, and keep up on the maintenance on there. Otherwise, you can have steering issues. Drivers have issues unlatching fifth wheels, or latching them. Hard to latch, unlatch. So, keeping up on those maintenance is a big thing.
Okay. Fantastic. Well, thanks, Nick.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
No problem.